everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your app notifications. So sometimes apps can get really annoying. For example, maybe YouTube, every time you get a recommendation. You can just hold down on the app, and there should be an option for like app info on here. Maybe this is on top. If you press the little I, you can go directly to it. And then you can go to notifications and simply just turn them off right here. So there could be some specific notifications on here, like allow dot notification or something like that. But to get there, just swipe down from the top right, go to settings, go to apps, see all apps, go to your app. And maybe it's like Zedge here. This is giving me a bunch of silly pop-ups. So we can just go to here and then go to where it says notifications. And then we can just turn this off. Now, let's see if I have a different application. Some applications allow you to turn off, oh, you're only going to receive messages, but video calls are blocked or something like that. So you can go into the settings for that. Maybe like Instagram or something will have that. And you can decide which notifications you want disabled. So you don't have to disable every single notification. So just look at that. Maybe Fortnite has one of those. No, so I'm just going to disable notifications. And then you don't have so many notifications every time you come to your phone, like this Life 360 can get annoying a little bit. So maybe if I went to that, I can disable some of those notifications. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos. Coming up next on Your Six Studios.